The greatness of a man is not how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Welcome folks, Monopoly Stocks here. Today we'll be discussing about the market wrap-up for May 5th and upcoming catalyst announcements and major events for May 6th, and also we'll be talking about where the money is moving in the stock market and which sectors are gaining more momentum. So stay with us. I'll see you right after this. Welcome back folks. Before getting started, we'd like to thank who has subscribed to us. We have crossed 1000 subscribers and heading towards 1100 subscribers. Thanks for your love and support. And also a lot of people are watching but not subscribing, so please take a second to press that like button and also the subscribe button. In this way you're encouraging us to do more and more content and also helping us to grow our channel. So when you're there, also take a second to share our videos with your friends and family. Okay, so now that you're subscribed, let's get into the presentation. So today, according to Yahoo Finance, we have stocks futures open flat after Dow hits record highs, and in the market today we have Dow and S&P in the positive but Nasdaq in the negative. So looks like the Nasdaq is drifting after the index fell about 0.4% for its fourth straight 4-day losses, and it's the longest losing streak since October. So far in May, the money is observed to be moving away from the technology sector, so that's what looks like. So Nasdaq is taking a beating now, and also private payrolls accelerated to rise about 742,000 in April. That could be a good thing for Nasdaq and the market in general. So just watch out for that. As soon as this news comes out and when everybody knows it, this could really help out the stock market. And also the fund managers are likely to move the money based on the inflation, and the trend might continue till the end of this year. So looks like the funds are moving from one sector to other sector, which we'll be discussing later on in the presentation. So just watch out for that. If you know the sectors where it's gaining momentum, you can be prepared ahead of time. Let's discuss on that also. And also in the CR side, all the altcoins and Bitcoin and everything is rallying currently. So if you are invested in that, don't forget to take some profits, because once it goes to a certain level, every time there will be a flash crash. So if in that way, if you're cash loaded, you can buy back the same currency which you sold and make more profits. Okay, so that's on the cryptocurrency side. And now as far as the daily performance sector wise, we see financial sector and also the banking sector is green today, and we've been telling about the financial sector from past 1 week. It looks like the safe sector currently, because it is gaining momentum, and at the same time a lot of sectors are taking a beating, and some of them are mixed based upon the companies how they're performing. And in the other side, if you see the weekly charts also, we see like banking and insurance sector is in green, and looks like most of the money is moving from other sector into banking, financial and insurance sectors. So we have highlighted some of the banking sectors here and also the financial sectors. So if you're invested in it, it should be fine. But if you were another sector, try to like diversify your portfolio accordingly. And as far as the industry wise performance in the weekly wise, we have interestingly the coal, oil field and drilling companies are doing well than the other EV sectors, and looks like there is a correction going on in the energy sector currently, and the EV sector perhaps is currently overbought, and the non-renewable energy took a lot of heat with all the new hype and the government initiatives. Still there is good signs of reopening, so nothing to worry about in that wise. And if you even look at in the weekly wise, we see S&P lost about 1.5% from last week rally, whereas the coal and oil field sectors did rally about 13 and 11% respectively. So it looks like the money is moving from a lot of technology sector towards the coal and oil sector. So just watch out for that. And in the other news, we have Cathay Woods continues to add the shares of Skills and also Palantir. So the ARK Invest purchased over 3 million shares of Skills, ticker symbol SKLZ, and over 1.5 million shares of Palantir. And also, in spite of Skills missed the earnings by 0.2%, they're still adding up heavily on Skills. And also Palantir currently is about 1.48% of ARKK holding. Palantir ticker symbol PLTR. And also in the other news, we have Costco April sales tops the consensus. So the sales went up by 33.5% year over year, and we have 44% increase in Canada and 30.4% increase in USA, and 33.5% in the international markets, and a very good signal to US moving to reopening. So keep Costco on your watch list because it's doing very well in not only in US market but also in the international markets. And we have Novavax vaccine analysis indicates prior infection may protect against the SA variants. So Novavax efficient is found to have 60% efficiency as per the New England Journal of Medicine on the SA variants. And also on the CR side, there is another huge company which added Bitcoin to their portfolio, which is Mercado Libre, and they added about $7.8 million worth of Bitcoin to their portfolio, which is very less compared to the assets. Their assets are about $3.9 billion. You can see a lot of companies are trying to invest in Bitcoin, which is a good sign for CR side. And this is from our market watch list. So watch out for tomorrow, which is the catalyst for May 6th. And this is ARK Space Exploration and Innovation, ticker symbol ARKX. The current price is $20.59. 52-week high is 21.27 and low is $20.01. At 1 p.m., ARK Invest holds a webinar to discuss why the space industry is primed to take off and dwell into the new space, ARK Space Exploration and Innovation. And the FRIM points out the important advancements in learning, mobile connectivity and sensor 3D printing and robotics, while also points out that the cost ballooning from last one decade are beginning to decline. And as a result, a number of satellite launches and rocket landings are proliferating, and the orbit aerospace revenue opportunities alone is expected to grow up to $370 billion. So the ARK investment still very much believes in the space sector. So they've been investing heavily in that, and some of their holdings include Trimble, the ticker symbol TRMB, and the 3D printing EFT, which is PRNT. There is Kratos Defense and Security, ticker symbol KTOS, JD.com, ticker symbol JD, Iridium, ticker symbol IRDM, and there is L3 Harris Technologies, ticker symbol LHX. So tomorrow, depending on the webinar how it goes, these particular stocks can have a rally, so just watch out for that if you're invested in that. So tomorrow for May 6th, we have another catalyst, which is CarMax, ticker symbol KMX. Current price $134.24 and 52-week high is 136.54 and low is 69.41. So it's an all-day event. The company is set to host a 2-hour virtual analyst day. So the company says the event is designed for financial analysis and institutional investors and will highlight the company's omni-channel strategy and digital initiatives on the road ahead. And the company net profit currently is about 3.90 and the forward PE is 20.88. And the market cap of the company's CarMax is currently $21.74 billion, and the revenue of 2020 is alone about 17.12 billion. And as far as the analysts, CarMax still has a lot of room to improve its market share. However, the company is growing at 4% compared to its competitors, which grow about 10.44. And this event will have a great impact on the company and how they define their growth plans and their strategy for the coming years. And from the biotech stocks, we have FDA approval for May 6th is for CCXI, ChemoCentryx Inc., At 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m., the committee will discuss the new drug applications of NDA 214487 for oral capsules submitted by ChemoCentryx Inc. for the treatment of anti-neutrophilic cytoplasmic antibody associated with vasculitis. And tomorrow we have major companies to report their earnings. So before the market opens, we have Moderna. We feel very strong about it, and also with the vaccines and everything, they should do well. And also we have before the market open, we have Wayfair. We feel good about it, but also Wayfair, the price has been rallying compared to last year. It has grown very high. So just watch out for Wayfair. And also we have, after the market close, we have Square, Roku, Peloton, AMC, and Dropbox, Beyond Meat to give their earnings. We feel strong about Square and Roku to perform very well. Peloton took a beating today, so probably if there is a good earnings, it could rally the prices tomorrow. So just watch out for that. And afterwards, there are quite a few stocks which are rallying, and the first one is AMS. It rallied about 49%. Apparently there is no news on it. And there is NMRD. It announces order of 200,000 sugar BE80 sensors. So this has rallied the stock about 22% afterwards. And there is Research Frontiers, which is ticker symbol REFR. There is no news on that. It rallied about 20%. And there is Genan Inc., ticker symbol JAN. There is no news on that. It rallied about 15%. So if you are invested in that, plan your exit accordingly. And that's it for today, guys. And also we'll be releasing a video on a high growth stocks very soon, so don't miss out for that. Make sure you subscribe, and always remember, be good to each other. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.